Hello Marines, it is King Badir and welcome back for another Native Gamer Reacts on Happy Wheels. Hello my friend.
Hey guys.
As apparently I'm not on the correct page. Ugh! I missed. Oh god.
Oh god. Get the kid. Oh, nice one.
Oh. Ah!
Yeah!
Oh god dang it, this oh! Knock him! Knock him! Knock him! Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I passed that one. Okay. Sword throw. Oh great, now I get to choose the character. Very, very easy. That one's too easy.
No.
Too easy.
No.
Hold on. Come on, Pogo Man. That's not Pogo Man. That's Guy. I forget what this guy's name is. He's screaming in pain.
He just seems to be planking.
Oh, he's about to
planking. Oh my god.
He's about to fall off. Is what he's about to do. Oh, he contacted that guy down there.
He contacted the fat man.
Oh.
Ooh, nice. Oh, that was cool.
Okay,
That
one more. It's Chucky. Oh god.
Oh god, really?
Yep, really. Okay, let's do this again. Die. I love that. He went through all my swords. That's not nice.
You don't say.
Just
Get it.
Get it. Give me that. Gimme.
This is not going.
Ah, crap, I missed him by a couple of feet. Come on. Ah, that's just wrong. Ah, it went through his butthole. It went through his butthole again.
You disgusting bastard.
Come on, grab the sword.
Grab the sword already.
Grab the sword. Pass the salt.
This is embarrassing for you, dude.
Pass. Okay.
God.
On to another one. Ah, I got a machete. That guy's not. I'm not gonna be able to kill him. Ah.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Ah.
Nice.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh god. Okay, this one's not really passable. Yeah, that one's not. That one. I don't like that one.
It's not working. It's not happening.
Yeah, it's not happening. Oh god, I have a spade.
What?
I missed.
I spade. Wow.
Why? Oh, I have my arm. My arm.
Okay.
I lost my arm.
How did you manage to do that?
He got stuck.
You missed all of it.
Yeah, I did.
Not happening, dude.
Yeah, I'm not doing so good this time. Oh god, it's the
Fine.
It's the old lady. It's the fat girl. Oh!
Oh god!
Oh!
Oh my god!
Okay.
Oh god, that was disgusting.
Lawn Mower.
Oh god.
It's time to maul them.
Ow!
Time to get it.
Come on!
Go! 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 Keep going! Keep going! Go! 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 Go!
Yeah.
Go! 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 Go!
Being pulled back.
Go, man! I believe in you.
I bereave.
You gotta breathe! Breathe!
And he's stuck. He won't go any further. Lawnmower challenge. Maul them!
Oh God! Oh my God!
Maul them! Ah!
Oh God! What?
I have severed my head, unfortunately.
That's a troll! That's a troll!
I'm not gonna make it! I'm not gonna make it!
No, you can make it! Oh.
Okay, that one, that takes a lot of skill that I don't have.
You need more skill.
Yes, I do. Oh, what am I doing now?
Wait, where's this one?
Oh God. Okay, yep, that's not gonna work either.
What was the point of that?
I have no clue. Lawnmower, new job. Well, of course I'm gonna use the lawnmower, dude. Bye.
Oh dear.
Oh, here comes Junior Swagger 4.
Hello.
I'm in the middle of recording a video, sir. Now Dante can't see anything. Slash NativeGamer.
Oh, everything dark.
Yeah, I know. We'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, are you there? Can you see?
No.
Ah!
Ah!
Is unfortunately been messed up due to Mr. Swagger.
That's cool, dude. Go on without me.
I will go on without you. I am mauling the same people that I am playing as at this moment.
You bastard.
And I have no one else to chop up. Okay. Come on, stop.
Is that a
Stop.
good thing?
No, it is not.
Damn it.
Geronimo! Oh, God! Oh, the frame rate drop. This is disturbing.
It sounds disturbing.
Yeah, it is very disturbing. Can you see it now?
No, I do not, sir. I'm sorry, man.
I will call you in about 5 seconds. What am I hanging on to? Alright, hold on. Share screens. Share.
I'm back. I'm back, bitches.
No, don't start Flight Simulator X.
Wait, what?
I may have accidentally started up Flight Simulator X.
This is.
Okay. Mishap in the middle of recording.
Oh yes.
That's what happens when it's on my taskbar on the bottom.
Oh yes.
Oh God, no. Ah, okay. That's, oh my God. This is the most unfortunate episode I've made. Out of the 2 I've made.
Very much so, my friend. Very much so.
Ah, I need a lawnmower. Prepare for disgustingness.
Oh God.
Let's just
my
sit.
God, there's
Let's
so
just
much
sit here
blood.
for a minute and enjoy the gruesomeness.
Oh God. Ooh. Ooh, that has to hurt. Oh God, there's so much.
My
blood.
brain hurts.
Look, have to. Ooh.
Apparently, I've chopped him up enough that I cannot move. The frame
That
rate
looks
is
so horrible. Oh my God.
the frame rate is terrible right now. Oh God, he flipped.
How are you flipping over?
I don't. Yeah, that one's done. That one's so done.
That went straight. That went straight down the shitter.
Yep. Oh Jesus Christ.
Oh God.
Ah!
Oh God. Oh my God. This is overkill. Ooh.
Oh God, there's the finish line. Can I make it before this video ends?
Go.
I'm stuck on a pile of body. I have flipped and I'm dead.
No.
Alright. So, thank you guys for watching. Native Gamers, link will be in the description. I will fix the last video that doesn't have his link in the description. And there will be future Have You episodes soon. Peace out, you guys.